Buying a laptop for video editing or graphic design is a lot more complicated than it looks. A laptop that handles everyday tasks perfectly can struggle the moment you start editing 4K videos, working with large Photoshop files, or rendering complex projects. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best laptops for video editing and graphic design, from excellent value picks to the ultimate creator machines, so you can spend your money wisely. Number 5. HP Spectre X360. If you're a student, freelance designer, or content creator who values portability, the HP Spectre X360 is an excellent choice. It offers premium performance for Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, and light to moderate video editing. The beautiful OLED display delivers vibrant colors with excellent color accuracy, making it ideal for creative work. Its lightweight design, long battery life, and convertible touchscreen also make it perfect for creators who work on the go. Approximate starting price, around $1,300 United States dollars. The honest warning: although it performs well for most creative tasks, it isn't designed for heavy 4K video editing or complex 3-dimensional rendering. Under long rendering sessions, it can become warm and reduce performance to control temperatures. Number 4. ASUS ProArt P16. If you're a professional photographer, video editor, or graphic designer who relies on Adobe Creative Cloud or DaVinci Resolve, the ASUS ProArt P16 is built specifically for you. It combines a high-performance processor with dedicated graphics, an excellent OLED display, and outstanding color accuracy. Creative professionals will appreciate its large touchpad with creative controls and its wide selection of ports. Approximate starting price, around $1,900 United States dollars. The honest warning: this laptop is more expensive than mainstream laptops, and the dedicated graphics card can reduce battery life during demanding workloads. It's best suited for professionals who will fully utilize its performance. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Pro. If you edit high-resolution videos, create motion graphics, or work with demanding creative software, the Lenovo Legion Pro offers workstation-level performance at a competitive price. Its powerful processor and dedicated graphics handle Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Blender, and DaVinci Resolve with ease. The advanced cooling system also helps maintain high performance during long rendering sessions. Approximate starting price, around $1,800 United States dollars. The honest warning: the Legion Pro is noticeably heavier than most creator laptops, making it less convenient for travel. Battery life also falls behind thinner productivity-focused laptops. Number 2. Dell XPS 16. If you want a premium Windows laptop with exceptional build quality and one of the best displays available, the Dell XPS 16 deserves serious consideration. Its stunning high-resolution display offers outstanding brightness, sharpness, and color accuracy for editing photos and videos. Combined with premium performance and elegant design, it delivers an excellent experience for professional creators. Approximate starting price, around $2,100 United States dollars. The honest warning: the premium design comes with a premium price tag. It also offers fewer built-in ports than many competitors, meaning you'll likely need adapters for some accessories. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. If you're a professional video editor, filmmaker, photographer, or graphic designer who wants the very best creative laptop, the MacBook Pro remains the gold standard. Its powerful Apple Silicon delivers exceptional performance in Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, and DaVinci Resolve while maintaining incredible battery life. The Liquid Retina XDR display offers exceptional brightness, contrast, and color accuracy, making it one of the best laptop displays available for professional content creation. Approximate starting price, around $2,499 United States dollars. The honest warning: the MacBook Pro is expensive, especially once you upgrade memory and storage. It also runs macOS, so users who rely on Windows-only software should verify compatibility before making the switch. The best laptop for video editing and graphic design isn't always the most expensive one. It's the laptop that matches your creative workflow, software requirements, and budget without forcing you to pay for performance you'll never use. Let us know in the comments which laptop you would choose, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech rankings and buying guides.